I'm Jaron Beck with the Ohio Division of Wildlife, and today we're at the Mazurik Fish Cleaning Station looking at this brand new state-of-the-art facility. Let's go in and take a closer look at it. After a good day of fishing, there is a procedure that should be followed when using this fish cleaning station. You don't want to leave the motor run the entire time. It's important to fillet your fish and stage them so that you can put them in the hopper one at a time. That way it doesn't overwhelm the system. This particular fish cleaning station at Mazurik has a holding tank, and if that holding tank gets full, it'll need to be pumped out, and in the meantime we have to close the cleaning station down. So we're just going to fillet our fish one at a time, and as we get our pile over here, we'll be ready to put them in the hopper here in just a few minutes once we get through all of our fish. Walleye and perch are the most popular species these fish cleaning houses will see, but these grinders will handle any species and most sizes of fish. Now that we're done filleting our fish, it's time to fire up the grinder. Again, it's important that we don't turn it on until we're ready to start feeding fish in, because it'll fill the tank up. There's an on-off button. I'm just gonna hit the green button. That starts the water flow, and the grinder will begin to spin. But we're gonna put them down this chute, and it goes into the grinder and into the holding tank. So just one at a time is the best way to feed it so we don't clog this grinder. In the event we do get a clog, there is a T-handle that we can use as a plunger to kind of get things moving the way they should be down there. The grinder will run for a set period of time, and once it's done through its cycle, water will still pulse and the grinder will come on from time to time. That way it can clean out, that way there's no chunks left in the grinding channel. It's also important to keep your hands clear of the grinding blades. Only put your hands in as far as you need to in order to get those fish to feed down into the grinder chute. Now you can see I didn't get through all of my fish yet, and this is just that flush cycle. So I'm gonna push the button again to get that grinder going continuously as I continue feeding my pile in. It helps to feed them head first. That way the grinder can grab the bulk of the fish. That way it continues to pull it through the grinding teeth. Now that we're done cleaning our fish and feeding them down the chute, we can give it a little bit more water just to clean that chute out for anything sticking in there and spray off the cutting surface. When using the fish cleaning station, be sure to use a designating parking spot and don't use the make ready lanes next to the fish cleaning station leading up to the boat ramp. Follow those simple steps so we can ensure the fish cleaning stations are open during peak operation hours. Good luck on your next fishing adventure.